guys, Eric here. Be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. Today we're going to talk about the plugin that you're going to use to have someone contact your business through a number. How do we do that? We're going to go to Add New, and the plugin that we're going to use is called WP Call Button. And there it is there. And we're going to go ahead and install it. And don't forget to activate. And you should be able to see it now. There it is, the WP Call button. Let's go to Settings, and let's go to WP Call Button. And it's here that we can make some adjustments. Again, it says right here, your call button won't show up until you enter a phone number. So don't forget to enter your number. Call button status and active. We want active. Go ahead and put the number that you're going to use here. Once you put the number in, call button text, what do you want it to say? Call us today, or just call us. I'm just going to leave it at call us. You know, the call button position, where do you want it to be? We could say it could be in the bottom right. We're just going to leave that. Looks like we can leave that there, at least for now. Here's the color. You can arrange the color if you want. Maybe you wanted a different color. Maybe you want something more blue. Maybe more red. Let's go with more of a red color, just for something different. And call button visibility, do you want it everywhere, like on every page? Do you only want it on certain posts? In this case here, let's just show it everywhere just to show you what it looks like. Show call button only on mobile devices. Let's save changes. Let's visit the site.